So today we are in Braunschweig and we are meeting with our great partner, a startup called LBR Manufacturing.
So we are a startup through and through. We are 3 co-founders currently working here in Brunswick, Germany, showcasing that manufacturing without specialists is possible, that everybody can build up their own production in-house. CNC machining, it's an incredible technology, but it's a hard industry to get into. What we do is to lower the barrier of entry as much as possible.
Our product is a very compact, very easy to use CNC mill with 5 axes. It really simplifies the process of getting complex parts machined out of almost every material.
So our goal is that anybody who wants to machine parts can do that without having specialized training for it.
LBR Manufacturing and Autodesk want to make manufacturing accessible for all customers.
Our software and Autodesk Fusion give the user a very accessible experience for the machine, which allows them to get quickly into the manufacturing and focus on the parts they want to produce.
They rethink on how to use a machine tool. It runs over a tablet, cloud connected to our platform as well. So the cool thing about this app and the connection to the machine is that existing Fusion customers can use this in their common environment in Fusion and then just use it. So you don't have to worry about post-processors, you don't have to worry about how you set up the machines and how you set up the clamping devices. These are all fixed and standardized processes. This is exactly the intention of Fusion, to drive the whole process chain from design to manufacturing to also now streamlining over API and automation workflows. So that's the DNA of Autodesk, and we're very proud of supporting a startup like LBR.